Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. The stitch we have today is very interesting and very fun to make. The forms reminds of hourglass, and I think it will look great on a number of projects. I don't personally recommend it for absolute beginners because there are some techniques that someone might find a little bit difficult, but don't let that discourage you. Watch the whole video and try it. If you find something difficult and you have questions, you can always ask me down in the comments. Now grab your hooks and let's begin. We need to chain multiple of 4 plus 1. Here I'm going to chain 16 plus 1, total 17 chains. And here I'm ready with my chain. I'm going to show you like you see in a very small scale the stitch. Now let's start row 1. We're going to start working in the second chain from the hook. Here's the first, here's the second. Go in the chain and make single crochet. And then make 1 single crochet in each chain. As you can see, very easy. Just go ahead and make the single crochet, and I'll wait for you at the end of the row. This is how it's looking so far. Now let's move to row 2, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and turn. Now our main stitches are treble crochets, and I'll show you exactly how to get these shapes that you saw in the intro. Usually when you make treble crochet, you need to yarn over twice on the hook. Then go into the stitch you need to make the treble crochet. In our case, this is this stitch right here, not here where the chain comes from, right next to it. Yarn over and pull loop. Now you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. If you want to finish the treble crochet, you need to yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops, but we will not do that. We'll leave them as it is. And we're going to move to the next stitch with another treble crochet. Yarn over twice, go into the next stitch and repeat the same steps. Pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and don't finish it. And one more time, yarn over twice, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all of them. This way you finish all of these treble crochets together. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let's continue with the next steps. Again, we need to make treble crochets, so yarn over twice. We're going to work here in this stitch at the top of the treble crochets, just where they come together. Insert the hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop. This time we're going to finish the treble crochet, so yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. This is how it's looking. Now let's repeat one more time. Yarn over twice, go into the same place, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And there you have it. And one last step. Now there's one more treble crochet we need to make. Yarn over again twice. We're going to make it here around this chain. So go behind the chain like this, take the yarn, pull up a loop, and then just continue the same way to make the treble crochet. And this is how it's looking so far. It's not looking like much right now, but yeah, let's continue. It will get better. Now let's move on to the next steps. Yarn over 4 times. 3, 4. You will see later why we need that. Practically we're going to make again treble crochet and then we're going to finish them together, but a little bit differently this time. So yarn over 4 times, going to the next stitch here, loop a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Don't finish it, leave it like this. Then yarn over twice, going to the next stitch, take the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Moving on to the next stitch, yarn over twice, going to the stitch, take the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops twice, and one more time, yarn over twice, going to the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through only 4 of them. 1, 2, 3 and 4, like this. Then what is left here is to make actually one whole treble crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops, like this. Then one regular treble crochet here in the stitch where all of these stitches connect at the very top. Very regular treble crochet, and one more. And now we need one more treble crochet, so yarn over twice, but we'll make it the same way around here, the first treble crochet below, the same way we did it here around the chain. Yarn over twice, go behind the stitch like this, take the yarn, pull up a loop, and then just make one treble crochet there. And you can see how they start to take form. From here, basically you have to repeat absolutely the same steps. Yarn over 4 times, then make this 4 unfinished treble crochet like I showed you. Here's the first, the second. I'm going to show you here more quickly. The third, and one more. Then yarn over, pull through 4 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then continue with the regular treble crochet. Then we have 2 more treble crochets here at the top. 1 2, and one more around the first treble crochet. Go behind it, take the yarn, pull up a loop and make the treble crochet. Okay, repeat these steps until you reach the end of the row. And here is how my little swatch is looking so far. Now let's start a row 2. Compared to row 1, it's very simple. Chain 1 and turn, and we need to make one single crochet in each stitch, starting from the very first stitch, which is right here under the chain. Just go ahead and make one single crochet in each stitch. Make sure you don't skip some of the stitches. And here how it's looking after row 2. And from here you have to repeat rows 2 and 3. So to continue, chain 3 and turn, and it's absolutely the same way as I showed you before. After the chain we need to make 3 unfinished treble crochets. Yarn over twice, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop and make the first stitch, then yarn over twice, go into the next stitch, do the same and one more time. Then yarn over and pull through all loops. Chain 4 and then 2 finished treble crochets here at the stitch of the on the top. 1 and 2, and the last treble crochet is here around this chain. Go behind it, take the yarn, pull up a loop and make the treble crochet. Here it is. And from here, chain 4, make one unfinished treble crochet in the next 4 stitches, then finish them together, and with the rest of the loops make the treble crochet that goes above the others. The stitch is very beautiful, and I'm sure you will enjoy making it because it has very interesting techniques. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know down in the comments what you'll be making with this stitch. Bye!